Hello everyone, welcome to the second tutorial section on how you can build a website. If you're just tuning into this channel, I'd like you to like and subscribe for subsequent releasing I'll be making about how to build a website. Now don't just go straight to watch this video, ensure you've watched the first video that talks about what the internet looks like. And in this video I want to teach you how you can set up a domain name and hosting plan for tutorial and learning purposes. But if you want to build a real website for your client, you have to pay for domain name and hosting. For the sake of uniformity and I want everybody to learn, I'll be using a free hosting plan and a domain name. So just follow my steps and ensure you walk through every instruction I gave, and you'll be able to create a functional website with a free hosting plan and domain name. Like I said earlier, if you have a client that you want to build a website for, you don't need to use the free. The free is just basically meant for tutorial purposes so that we can be on the same page. So without wasting much time, just head onto your browser and type there InfinityFree. This is the website right here, InfinityFree. So you just click on it. The moment you click on it, you'll be shown this is the link to the website, infinityfree.com. so when you click on it, this is what the interface would look like. Then if you are just tuning in for the first time on this site, it's advisable you register. So just head on to the register button. You can sign up with a Gmail. I don't know if I have any Gmail connected to this computer. Seems I don't have any Gmail connected to this computer. Alright guys, just kindly give me some time. Let me set up an email account. Okay guys, right on my screen, the first thing you need to do is to input your email address. Then after which you choose a password. I want to use this password. Then you confirm your password as well. You click on I have read and agreed to the terms of service. You verify if you're a woman. Then you select sign up. A verification mail will be sent to your email address. Then you have to go and click the link to activate your account. Alright guys, if you are able to verify and validate the account, the interface that will be shown to you will be similar to what I have on my screen here, right? Like I said earlier, for you to have a website, there must be a hosting plan and domain name. A hosting plan is a computer that makes your website stay live on the internet for a couple of years. So InfinityFree offers a free hosting plan as well. They also have a paid hosting plan and domain. So whichever way, for the sake of this tutorial and uniformity, I want us to use a free one. But if you're going ahead to build a website for your client, make sure you use the paid one, because the free one comes with limitation as well. So the first thing you need to do, if you have your interface similar to this, you should click on create your first account. Now what you want to do is create a hosting account, and when you create a hosting account, there's an option for you to pick a domain name. If you're using InfinityFree, all these are for free. Like I said earlier, do not just consider the free aspects. If you're making use of this tutorial lesson and probably you don't have money to purchase the paid hosting and domain, you could just go ahead and use the $0 plan. But if you want to go ahead to build a functional website for your client, you can use the starter premium or the super premium plan, depending on what you want to aim at. Like you can see, the starter premium has a 5 gig space, 20 gig bandwidth, and 1 hosted domain. And for super premium we have 20 hosted domains, and for the ultimate premium there are unlimited hosted domains. So based on what you choose, based on what you want to build as a web developer. But for the sake of this tutorial and uniformity purposes, I'll go for the free $0 plan. So you just click on create now. Guys, I'm sure you understand what we are trying to do. We are creating a free hosting account, an account that's going to act like a computer on the internet, that way our website is going to be live. So the next thing you will come across, don't worry about these funny ads that pops up on the screen. Just verify that you are a human. If you are a human, then this is where you can choose your domain name. What's the domain name? Like I explained in the other tutorial for you, a domain name is just like address to your website, address people search on the internet that links them to your website, just like the name of your website. All right, that is what we call domain name. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using MEIT solution as our domain name. Let's check for the availability, if it's available. All right, I think that's available. Let's input additional information. Email consent, you click on, scroll down to where you have this email consent and you click on I approve. Then you click on create account. So those are the steps you need to create an account. So you just need to hold on while this hosting account will be created. Remember, through the hosting account you're able to create a domain name. That's good. Now the next thing we need to do, if you have been able to create your account, this is where you're going to see the domain name MEIT solution infini.uk. If I copy this and paste on let me copy this and paste on the browser, of course you're not going to see anything right there. Let me paste it right here, Control V, because we've not done anything on the website yet, so it's just going to appear blank. All right, so we just have to go back, ensure you have similar interface like mine. These are the interface and this is what it looks like. So the next thing we head on to, you click on control panel. As we are heading to control panel, we want to install WordPress and then kickstart the process. Now when you come across this important notice screen, you can take some time, read the information available on the screen, scroll down to where you have I approve, then you approve the information, then the control panel is now going to load. All right, just exercise some patience while it takes some time to load. Now it has loaded. You can see it right here where you have contact email, getting started, account upgrade and stuff like that. So what you need to do, just scroll down to where you have SoftAclos app installer. All right, this app installer helps us to install easy apps like WordPress that can help us to build your website. So this is where you can find different apps. All right, so we want to install WordPress. WordPress is a publishing platform that is used to build website very easy and speedy. Lots of website owners use WordPress because why? It's very easy to build. So you click on install, then you install WordPress. What we are doing right now, we are installing WordPress in our domain. Do you understand? We've got a space on the internet which is MEIT. That's this I was looking for, this particular link. So now what we need to do is to install an app which is called WordPress that will help us to do what? Build this site. So just with a few clicks, just scroll down where you have site name, just change it to the name of your site, MEIT. Then site description, you could just leave this one because we'll definitely change it. right? Admin username, just let us type MEIT. Admin password, you can just copy this password as well, because the moment you just copy it, make sure it's safe, because that's what you use to log into your account. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So the moment you scroll down, your interface is going to look exactly like this. Let me scroll up a bit so we'll be on the same page. All right, you can see HTTP. I'll tell you more about this later, but if I don't, you can hit me up and I'll give explanation on this HTTP. But this is our domain. This is where I want to install the WordPress. We've copied our password. Then I click on install. That's the next thing to do. So it's going to take some time. So all you just need to do is to exercise patience while WordPress gets installed on your website. And then make sure you have a good network, and it's not going to take time. So after that, you'll be shown a congratulations message and the link to your website and the administrative URL. This administrative URL is what you use to log into your WordPress dashboard and you start building your website. So this is the link that anybody on the internet can just search it on Google and you have access. You have not really have access, will see your website. And this is the administrative URL. The administrative URL is just a combination of your website link, a slash, and WP. Is this underscore? I'm sure this should be underscore, something like that. WP-admin. So this is the administrative URL. The administrative URL is meant for, it's for the admin who registered the website. So this is the admin that's responsible for all the designs and the rest. So if you're the person who is doing it, you're the admin. All right, so you'll be using this link to log in, but I'll be showing you an easy way you can log in without using this link. Note, if you're using this link, you need to that password you copied, remember the password you copied, you need to enter the username and enter a password for it. So our WordPress was installed successfully. The next thing we have to do is to click on this administrative URL. If you click on the administrative URL, it's going to take you direct to your website where you need to enter your username and that password you copy. That's why I told you, pay attention and take note of that password you copy. You definitely need it. But subsequently, I'll show you how you can log into the website without using the password. It's just a one-time click. Alright guys, if you come across the interface where you try to load it and it's not loading, you just have to be patient, because it takes some hours before the website will be available on the internet, because it's propagating. But I want to show you another option. All you just need to do is to return back to WordPress management. So the moment you click on it, this option would help you to just have a one-click direct to your website. So let's go back. Let's go back again. As if you are getting into InfinityFree. Let's head on to InfinityFree one more time. What I want to do right now is I want to show you how you could. This time around we are going to log in, and this is the account we created. So you just click on the account that we created and go to control panel. You can close this because you will not be needing it. Then you scroll down to where you have this, which is SoftwareClause Apps Installer. Just click on it. You can close this. I'm sure you'll not be needing it. Then you can see this place you have installations. These installations are those apps you've installed in your domain that you've gotten. So we just have only one app we've installed, which is WordPress. So you can just click on these installations. Once you click on it, it's going to show you an admin interface like this. So when you click on it, you don't need to log in as an admin anymore. All right. But if you were using the link, the administrative URL, you will need to log in with that password you copied and your username you entered while you were installing WordPress. I'm sure that's very clear, guys. So you just have to click on this guy that is staying here, login as admin. Just click on it. So this will take you direct to your website. So just hold on. Some of you might be having some issues. It's taking some time to propagate and go live on the internet, so you shouldn't be worried about that. All you just need to do is to watch this section of the video again where you go back and log in. So you shouldn't be worried about that. Usually when you purchase a domain and a hosting plan, the website is not going to go live immediately. You just have to exercise patience for some hours before it goes live. But once the site goes live, the video will be added and you'll be seeing it. Alright, so the moment you're here, as I showed you earlier, all you need to do is to click on this login as admin. Here you would not require a password to log into your website. Okay, let me take that again by starting afresh. So from your dashboard in InfinityFree, all you need to do is go to control panel. When you're in control panel, you scroll down to where you have Softaclos app installer. You click on it. The moment you click on it, it pops up this screen for you where you see installations. So you click on installations. Then you can log in as admin by clicking this icon here. So the moment you click on it, it takes you to your website dashboard. So here is the website dashboard, and we have been able to do or to create a free hosting and a domain name. So the next thing we have to do is to get started, and I'm going to do another video on how you can get started, the necessary plugins you need to install on your website, the necessary settings you need to make, and you start building your website. So this is how your interface looks like. In the next video, I'm going to teach you what all of this is all about. Alright, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do indicate in the comment section. I'll be there to pick it up for you. See you in the next video.